Okay, so in your student packet, if you are receiving things like these worksheets that go along with the current News to You that I'll be sending home, I'll send home a News to You every 2 weeks, and I'll post it also on the website so you can refer back. And there's different versions of it. There's a simplified version. There's a harder version that has more pages to it. Most of the students would be better off using the simplified version. It's less reading, less papers, so it's easier for them to get the concept. So I'm going to send home some worksheets like this. These worksheets are supplemental. They're not things that you're going to be using the progress monitoring tool on. We're not talking about these kind of things when you're thinking about progress monitoring. Simply the things that are part of your objectives, your students' objectives, which are things that I'm taking little video clips of this is how we do this at school. That means that's what your child is working on. And also I'm going to include some, like a book like this. This is a good idea. So for a few of the students, not every student is going to get a book, but if your child has one of these in their packet, it's a good idea to read with them every night. Have them read this. If they read it for 2 weeks, or even if we keep it in there longer, eventually they're going to memorize part of the book or memorize a lot of the words, and that'll help them with fluency. It'll help them with confidence. It's just good practice all the way around. So try to continue doing this. This isn't something that's mandatory that needs to be done as far as our progress monitoring, but it is something good that we should be doing. So I'm going to include something like this. I'll try to do at least one book every month. So keep it every month, and then let them read it. This is even if they're not reading and they sit and flip through the book after eating lunch or something like that, because in the classroom we do have free reading time where it's called drop everything and read. And the students don't always read, but they'll look through books, and that's good literacy experience for them. So I am going to put one in here, but when we're talking about our progress monitoring, that's not some of the things that we're going to be looking at. We're mainly looking at the little things I've made video clips of for your students' symbol that's on their schedule. So let's just keep that in mind. Okay, thank you.